Hey guys, it's time to unbox the new Vivo X21. Guys, I have waited so long for this phone. This is my first ever in-display fingerprint scanner phone. I always thought that Samsung would be the first one to do it, but hey, props to Vivo for winning the race. So this is the best of Vivo, not the Vivo V9 they launched a couple of days ago. So this is their Pro flagship, only exclusive to China, with some seriously awesome specifications. So pretty simple packaging. Most of the stuff is written in Chinese. Of course, the sponsor for the FIFA World Cup Russia 2018 is there as well. Let's just lift the box up real quick. And here we have the phone itself. So it actually comes in two variants. There's one with a fingerprint scanner on the back, and then a UD model, which I have right now, that comes in this red color and a special blue kind of colors. Up front, we have this Vivo Plus World Cup sponsored card. I place that on the side, and here we have the phone. And as you can see, fingerprint scanner position is shown, which means that this is the UD version with red color and no fingerprint scanner on the back. And let's take a look at the accessories. So first up, we have this wall charger, and this is a fast charger, not like the one you get with Vivo V9. This is their true value things, because this is their Pro flagship phone. So here we have Vivo EarPod, so you can see 3.5mm jack there, which means that the phone still have a headphone jack. Lifting this one up, and we got a silicone case to protect the Vivo phone right from the get-go. So it is not just a normal silicone case, it has this black texture on the side to give it a cool look. And we got some paperwork with the SIM ejecting tool here as well. And lastly, we got a USB cable for charging the phone. Now this is still a USB 2.0 cable. Even with their Pro flagship phone, you're not getting Type-C. I don't know why Vivo is not doing Type-C in 2018, because every phone has Type-C. So, but I guess the good part is that this phone does support fast charging. And now let's take a look at the phone. So I accidentally pressed the power key. It's now turning on. But anyways, we're going to take off this plastic real quick. There we go, and oh my god, look at this phone. It's the first time ever I bought a phone in red color, and it looks so damn sexy. It is glossy and it is shiny. It has premiumness written all over it. Just a quick side-by-side look with the Vivo V9, and sorry about this, it is a little dirty. But yeah, you can see that they have used premium gloss material on the Vivo X21 UD. Well, this is actually a plastic material, but overall the design language is very similar in both phones. Got our charging port along with the speaker and a SIM ejecting tool down at the bottom. This is a very rare choice of design. I mean, probably it has something to do with the in-display fingerprint scanner. On the top of the phone, we got the headphone jack, volume rocker plus power key on the right, and nothing on the left. We have vertical cameras. These are actually 12 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, similar to the Vivo V9, with a 12 megapixel camera on the front as well. So, alright, so let's take a closer look at the phone itself. And right from the start, I can say that this is so much better when it comes to display quality compared to the Vivo V9. I mean, this is Super AMOLED against an LCD display that they've used with their V9 model. It's a 6.28-inch 1080p HD Super AMOLED display with a notch, so you can see the display going all the way on the sides, looking pretty futuristic. Like, this is a full screen experience from the Vivo. Obviously there is a chin down there as well, but yeah, this is a large display, and I think most people will enjoy using this. Now you can notice that we have these three bars at the bottom, which is used for a full gesture based experience. So I checked it out on the Vivo V9 and I got used to it. It's really cool. The middle one is the home. If you swipe from the home, it takes you to this multitasking tray, and this one is your control center. So all of your important toggles are available here. So you have screen capture, Wi-Fi, flashlight, Bluetooth, all that good stuff. Again, this is the FunTouch OS. It's coming with Android 8.1 Oreo, so it's the latest version of the Android, but of course it doesn't look nowhere near Android since it's inspired by iOS. So even the software tells us that it's FunTouch OS based on Android, so that people don't mistake it with iOS. Under the hood, you have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor, 6GB of RAM. I will be checking out its performance as well. Now let's try out that fingerprint scanner that we all want so badly on our phones. We have a face unlock and an in-display fingerprint scanner, so we're gonna go ahead with the fingerprint scanner, use it for unlocking. Set a custom password. We're just gonna go with this normal 000. Okay, some questions, and done. So it says register a finger by pressing and holding a thumb on the area. So we're just gonna press and apply a little bit of pressure here. All right, takes a little bit of time, but this is their second generation phone, Vivo X21, so it should be able to perform better than the first one, which I've seen in the videos. So okay, almost done. And yeah, register successfully and we are done. So we have this cool little animation which we can actually change. So you can see a bunch of different ones we have. I think this one is looking really cool. So we're gonna press done. Alright guys, the moment of truth is here. We have this highlighted area on the screen, which is where we have to put the finger. So let's see. Okay, didn't work first time, and boom. Okay. So it's actually pretty fast and takes about the same time as a normal fingerprint scanner, and because it's on the front, it's really convenient to reach. Wow guys, this works so well. Samsung, please do it with the Note 9. I mean, it's about time. This looks so cool guys, I can't stop using it. Let's see if we do a quick speed test with the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, so I'm gonna be as accurate as possible. Here we go. And you can see about the same as the Galaxy S9 Plus fingerprint scanner. So I would really like Samsung to put the fingerprint scanner on the Note 9. They are going through the process, so we don't know whether they will do it or not. And I know it's hard to do it on a global level since they have to produce the parts in millions of numbers. So as I said, this is not a global in-display fingerprint scanner phone. It's only exclusive to China. So I still believe that Samsung will be the one to truly deliver a worldwide flagship, global flagship with an in-display fingerprint scanner. But anyways, I am super impressed by the new Vivo X21. The in-display fingerprint scanner is really fast, and overall the phone is just truly gorgeous. The display, the build quality, I like it so much. I will be doing some more videos. If you guys want to see a speed test, let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.